Hey guys, technical with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone 15 Pro or any new iPhone with the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So in this video, when you do a factory reset, it will delete everything on your iPhone, and it will be like, again, if you were to purchase it new, if you're selling it, giving it away, or trading it in. This is the thing that you want to do, which is a factory reset. But before even doing that, one of the things that I recommend is doing a backup of your data either through your iCloud or iTunes on your computer. You can go into your settings, click on your name here, and go to iCloud. It'll give you the option to back up your device so that if you have this iCloud on, you will be able to recover it by using an iCloud backup. You click on backup now, because once you do this process, you will not be able to get the data back unless it's backed up to your iCloud or in your iTunes. So let's get started in terms of actually doing the reset itself. So in order to do that, you go into your settings, and then one thing you can do to speed up the process is if you can go ahead and sign out of your Apple account here, go all the way down here, sign out. Now, in order to sign out, you'll need to enter your Apple ID password that you signed in originally. So I'll enter the Apple ID password here. And once you enter that and click on turn off, so your Apple ID is signed out, sometimes it might ask you for your two-step verification. Now this is saying if you want to keep copy of this data on your iCloud, you can select which one, leave it as is. I'm just going to click on sign out as is. And now it is signing out of the data here. Sometimes it might ask you for two-step verification. It might text you a code or send it to another device. So after you're signed out, you can now go into your settings, general, go all the way down here. It says transfer reset iPhone. Click on that, and then the option here that we want to do is erase all content and settings, which will delete everything off the phone completely. We'll hit continue here and then click on erase iPhone, and it will start the process. The other thing it might ask you is that if you're using an eSIM card, it might ask you if you want to delete the eSIM. You would want to delete it off that phone so that you can activate it on a new phone. So if you don't want it, but if you want to reset it up again, there's an option to keep the eSIM as well. And if you didn't sign out the way I told you, you can also sign out when you're clicking on that reset option. Now this process of resetting takes about maybe a minute or two, sometimes a few minutes, depending on how much data you had. So if you had a lot of data like photos, videos, apps, it could take you upward to even 10-15 minutes. We've seen sometimes with larger storage, if you have like 500 gigs, something filled up, or even 1 terabyte. So what will happen is during this process, I recommend that your phone has at least 50% or more charge. If not, make sure it's connected to the charge. And during this process, you want to monitor to make sure you get to go through all this process, because you don't want the phone to die during this process. And I'm going to show you how long it takes and which screen. Once you get to that screen, that will tell you that you successfully have factory reset and deleted everything off your phone. So here it's still going through the process as I'm talking, so we'll just wait a little bit longer, but again, should be quick if not anything. And finally, as I mentioned here, when you get to this hello screen, this is on iOS 17, swipe up when it's looking for you to set up the language. That means we have successfully factory reset our iPhone 15 Pro. We're good to go. That means now you can trade it in, sell it, give it away, whatever it is. The next person that sets it up will have to set up their own information, and none of your information will be on that phone any longer, and you're good to pretty much get rid of the phone. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.